Okay, so this is in the Microsoft. This is self-generating, and this has been giving me problems for it's in my ENVER 3 cool Hollywood chess. I got about 5 or 6 more in here, like self-generating things. Now, this is a card game. This is a card game. It's poker. It's ENVER 3 It's ENVER 3 card poker draw. So sorter, you press the sort. So you sort sending, descending, and all that changes. This is self-generating. And now this is causing me, we'd love to feedback. What the hell you mean feedback? I'm feeding back. And shit is jumping out. So anyways, I made this like a few years ago. And this, see how this is in the square. So it comes out of the square and stuff. And everything. Okay. So I got it on zooming. It's and so that's like the whole, so you can see the whole thing. So anyways, sorting it again, that's the sorter works. So you sort it and it changes your number. So this is your card and this is the table of your cards and stuff. This is self-generating stuff, and all my self-generating stuff that I made, this Microsoft is, feeding back and shit. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna reload. I wanna just reload because it goes back to 100%. It's like zoomed, it goes back to zooming my shit and shit. Look at it, So, basically, you know what I'm saying? They've been doing this shit in this Microsoft Sheets that Bill Gates, Mr. or whatever. And then I'll be cussing, and then they're like, why you cussing? Why this? Why that? This why? Okay, so wherever I have calculated self-generating things, this is self-generating. It seems like even the Google's putting the next video. They're putting the next video in the thing because it looks like they're trying to steal this, and they've been trying to steal this for years. They got a date in there when I made this, anyways. So that's that.